Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Gomez. I'm a 3D artist and I share workflows, tools, and sculpting content. Today I want to show you a small add-on that I developed that makes animating collections visibility much faster. The problem is like if you ever animated complex scenes in Blender, you probably know how tedious it is to kind of like keyframe object visibility one by one. For example, you have the spheres here. And if you want to animate all this visibility, you have to go one by one and insert the keyframe here and the keyframe here and animate this property. And it's just such a pain. Like it's really, really painful to do it when you have or when you're dealing with many collections like animation layouts, with motion graphics, with things that are like really, really overwhelming and with a lot of objects. So this add-on allows you to keyframe the visibility of an entire collection instantly. Key on or key off the visibility. So you can focus more on animating or your creative workflow than repetitive steps all the time. Okay, so how does it work? After you go to Gumroad store and download the add-on, you're gonna go to Edit, Preferences, you're gonna install from disk, you're gonna search the add-on wherever you install it, key collection visibility PY, and install from disk. I already had installed it, so I don't need to do that. Make sure that it's enabled here, and once it's enabled, you're gonna press N to get all this menu here in the right side of the screen, and it's KCV. This is the little add-on that I use. So let's say, for example, right here Array knows the collections that I have. If I create a new collection, it's gonna add it to this menu as well. So I'm gonna go with the cones. So let's say the cones, I want the cones to be visibility on frame 25 and off on frame 26. So there you go, we have the visibility of it. Let's say that I want to bring them back on frame 84. So key off, and then frame 85 key on. So now there's no visible, 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 visible. And then you can, let's say with the cubes as well. Let's say you want the cubes key on 95, 96 key off, and you want to bring them back in key in frame 120, 121 on, and there you go. You have the visibility of the whole collection without having to go like every single object and visibility and keyframe the visibility of every single one, which is a pain in the butt to do that. And now you can see that whenever that happens, the visibility works here, this part, you see? Like it's array, it takes all the objects that are in that collection and automatically turn the visibility off of the objects in that collection. So it's a really useful, for example, for motion graphics, scene assembling, animation pre-visualization, and any workflow that you want. Like if you would really like to try the add-on, you can find it in my Gumroad store. The link is in the description below. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this tool helps you speed up your workflow in Blender. And if you find it's useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And I will be posting most videos like that, sculpting tutorials, workflow tools, techniques, and so on. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time, guys.